in the sky up above, so high and so free. There are birds of prey, for all to see, with sharp talons and beaks so strong. They hunt their prey, all day long. The first we'll meet is the mighty eagle, with feathers so brown, and wings that are regal. Flying quite high, and swooping so low. With a powerful grip, it catches its foe. Next up is the hawk, so quick and so sly. It hunts from the air, and swoops from the sky, with feathers that shimmer in the bright sunlight. It's a bird of prey, that's truly a sight. Now we come to the owl, so wise and so bold. It hunts in the night, when it's dark and cold, with eyes big and yellow, and feathers so soft. It hunts with precision, never getting lost. The falcon is next, so swift and so fast. It dives from the sky, with a lightning-fast blast. Last but not least, is the osprey. With sharp talons, it dives in the bay. It hunts for fish, with a keen eye. So there you have it, the birds of prey. With so many different kinds, there's so much to say. Each one is unique, with its own special way of hunting for food, every single day. Did you know? The peregrine falcon is the fastest animal on Earth and its diving speed can reach more than 300 km/h. Thank you for watching.